What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on healthy intentional living, and today's video is what I eat in a day to lose weight. I have started up a new fitness journey and a fitness lifestyle in September of 2021, and I am currently 20 pounds down. So if you're interested in seeing what I eat to lose weight, I hope you continue watching and enjoy the video. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now back to the video. Alright, so half the cookies are in this container and the other half have been baked over there. As you can see, I'm already going to have too many cookies, but that's okay. I love it. I love the cookie baking. Alright, so I am starving and it is past noon. Cannot see, 12:07. So I'm going to make some breakfast tacos. I saw someone else make these, so I'm just gonna do my love of taco, how I like to do my taco, but with eggs. So I got them eggs. I have the street tacos, my guac, some salsa. I do have this tuna thing. I'm not going to put it on the taco just because the flavor is basil and I don't think that'll taste good with the egg, but I may eat it on the side because I'm so hungry. I love these things. They have so much protein in them. And then I have cheese, but I don't think I'm going to use the cheese. I think I'll save my cheese for later. I'm not lactose intolerant, but I do like to eat dairy free, so I think we're going to toss the cheese. But yeah, breakfast taco time. Oh, and then I have these sweet potatoes left over from my breakfast yesterday that I was just too full. So I'm gonna eat these. I seen someone else make these breakfast tacos and they just, instead of using a meat or any other type of protein, they just use scrambled eggs. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I just put some onions and some peppers in mine. My onions were fresh, but my peppers were actually frozen. So I just threw them in the pan, warmed them up. A little salt and pepper goes a long way. And then I added 2 eggs and scrambled them up. Like I said before, I'm not really lactose intolerant, but I do like to minimize the amount of cheese that I eat. So if I'm going to eat cheese, I only eat it about once a day. So I decided no cheese in this because I'm going to have cheese a little bit later. So yeah, just scrambled up those eggs and then put them on the side. And then I'm just warming up my street taco tortillas. These ones were the carb balance ones, like I said, and they are whole wheat. They were so delicious, still nice and fluffy, so yummy. Warm those through, and then I just topped them with the eggs. And then I put my other toppings on them as well. So the toppings I used were guacamole, salsa, and I used a little bit of sour cream as well. And then I also had some sweet potato fries, like I said, on the side. This breakfast was so good. Breakfast tacos are like, it's just something I'm just gonna go to from now on. When I'm home, I'm gonna make me some breakfast tacos. They were just so like, I don't know, they just felt really fancy and they were so filling. Like I was just stuffed after these and they were just so good. If you have not tried to make breakfast tacos, give it a try. On to snack time. So I had to go pick up my kids, but I wanted to make a quick snack and I just used some of this cheese, which is actually brie. I know I was literally just talking about how I don't need a lot of cheese. Use some brie and then some pepperoni slices, and then the brie is like on these little cracker crisps, and I just spread it on there and I literally just ate that in the car after I picked up my kids. Now on to dinner. This was actually a Tuesday, so we're going tacos all day, baby. Those breakfast tacos were so good. I could not resist making tacos for dinner. So I actually put some black beans on the side. I just took them out the can and then I put some taco seasoning in them just to give them a little extra flavor, a little extra seasoning, and I just put them on the stove. And then here I just have some chicken breast that I had roasted up in the oven for the week. I like to just make a whole bunch of chicken breasts, not a whole bunch, maybe like 4 pieces for the week, and then I just use it various different ways. So and then once again, my tacos or my tortillas, and I put those in the oven to warm up. Here you see my chicken cut up, so I just put it in the pan to warm it through. And then I also had some rice, some leftover rice, so I put that on the other side of the pan, and I added a little bit of butter. This is probably like a half of a tablespoon, if that, of butter on the side, just to warm it up. And then how I plated my food is just, I had my rice and I topped that with my black beans, and then I made my tacos. And I pretty much topped these tacos the same way that I topped my breakfast tacos, except for I did have some lettuce, so I added a little bit of lettuce at the end. Sour cream, which you don't see here, but I did add sour cream, and a little bit of hot sauce. Once again, these tacos were slamming. Like, whew, Taco Tuesday is definitely like one of my favorite things. And like just making tacos at home yourself, you can just make them so many different ways, add so many different flavors, everything you love and not the things that you don't want, and keep it really healthy and really simple. So lastly, I just had some little rice crisps, these little rice rolls. They're like slightly sweet, but they're just made of rice puffs. And I had these for a snack. I was so full from the tacos, I really didn't even need dessert, which is a great day if I don't need dessert. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out more videos, I'll have them linked on the screen. I really enjoyed filming this What I Eat in a Day, and I'm definitely going to do more. I love watching them, so I just need to just get down the filming of them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.